Hello everyone, I'm Charuta, founder of Urja Wellness and Joy. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to present this reading by combining numerology, angel cards, and tarot cards. The question I have asked is how would be next 6 months for the people whose date of birth number is 2? I am repeating this question. How would be next 6 months, that is from June 2020 to December 2020, for people whose date of birth number is 2 as per the numerology. So let's first understand how to calculate date of birth number. For example, if your birth date is 11th of December 1985, then we are considering the number 11. We are not going to consider month and the year. Okay, all right. So this number 11 is reduced to a single digit number by adding 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. All right. So this is how we calculate the date of birth number. As I mentioned, this reading is for people whose date of birth number is 2 as per the numerology. It simply means that all those who are born on 2nd, 11th, 20th of any month. Alright guys, are you clear? Okay, so what I have done is I have made 3 piles. This is pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. So what you have to do is you have to select your pile. Okay, so how to choose the pile? Just follow your intuitions, just follow your heart. And okay, so let's take a moment. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Which number is popping up in your mind? Is it number 1, 2 or 3? Which flower is drawing your attention? White, red or pink? Yeah, take your time to choose your pile. So meanwhile you make a choice, I would love to share numerological insights about number 2. You guys are very kind, caring, loving and compassionate souls. You have very strong intuitions. Then you have natural counseling and healing or coaching or training skills or teaching skills. People feel very comfortable with your company because the kind of a warmth you radiate, it makes them feel wanted, it makes them feel loved. So it is easy for you to make friends, and you usually gel with people around you very well, very quickly. You mix with people. Yeah, you guys are kind of shy people. I can say people who are selectively social, with very good heart. Okay, on the and also you guys are kind of power behind the throne. You are kind of a mastermind who plans a lot, make strategies and then help leaders to execute it. So these were all plus points. On the other hand, you guys experience mood swings. Okay, at times you are very harsh with your own self, you criticize yourself a lot. You guys tend to have self-worth issues, confidence related issues. Then at times, you know, it happens that if your mood is not right or if you're feeling very down, then you know others find very difficult to please you, because you know again it's again a kind of a layer of a self-worth, because you have a very high expectations from your own self, and when you see if those expectations are not being met, then you tend to criticize yourself a lot. So guidance is to just be compassionate with your own self. Okay, the way you are compassionate with others, you guys need to be more compassionate towards your own self. Okay, then what happens that at times for no reason you tend to feel very drained. Why? Because you guys being very energy sensitive, you guys tend to attract a lot of negativity quickly. Okay, so like a sponge, you can read or attract energy. Okay, so for example, if person is gossiping about you, you're just kind of aware of it. Okay, you just know it intuitively, you know it, and then it, kind of it drains your energy. So meditation is very helpful for you all to maintain your energy levels high. So practice it daily for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, then be more kind to your own self. Okay, so this was from all numerology perspective. Now let's move on to the cards. So all those who selected pile number 1, here are the cards for you. These are tarot cards. So let's check one by one how next 6 months going to be. The first card you got is 10 of summer. Okay, so it means that you're going to spend very nice quality time with your family and friends, especially with your children. Okay, this period would be extremely happy and fulfilling, emotionally fulfilling. The next card you got is 10 of autumn. Okay, so if you're worrying about your money and finances, so this card says that whenever you require money, the money is going to show up. So trust the universe. Okay, so the point is money being available in your life when you really need it. So it is going to happen. Okay, so you need not worry about your finances or money related situations. Okay, the next card you got is Empress. Oh my god, I just love this card. This is a very beautiful card. So especially for women who were waiting to conceive, this card is indicating good news. Okay, so good news is on the card. So just take care of your body, take care of your soul. This good news is going to happen in this 6 months. Okay, also this card is all about the creativity. Okay, so you guys are gonna get lots of creative ideas about your career, about your life, or about finances, about any aspect of your life. So angels or cards are saying that don't discard any idea. Okay, it is time to work on those creative ideas. Okay, just don't discard it and say it, oh my god, I don't think so this will work. Okay, but this card is ensuring that whatever the creative ideas you're gonna get during this period will certainly work. Okay, so don't discard any idea. Next card you got is 3 of swords. Okay, so in certain areas of your life you might experience heartbreak. Okay, things may not work out the way you're expecting it to be, but angels are saying, cards are saying that divine help will be available. Eventually you will understand that why it happened, and see guys, basically everything happens for a reason. Okay, so when you're feeling sad, when you're feeling bad in these tough times, just ensure that you're taking proper care of your body, mind and soul. Okay, the next card you got is the Wheel. Wow, I just love this card. This is a major arcana card, and you can read this: delays are finally over, sudden or unexpected good luck, a new car or a travel. So this card, it's like it's a major arcana card. It means there would be major changes, major positive changes would happen. Okay, and as the first line says, delays are over. So whatever you guys are waiting for, that you're going to manifest in these coming 6 months. So this is a wonderful card. The next card you got is King of Raphael. Okay, so people who especially girls who are waiting to get married, this card is a very good sign, because that Mr. Right will show up. Okay, there are high chances that Mr. Right can show up in your life in these coming 6 months. So stay alert. Then this card also says that you are going to take the charge of your emotions. Okay, you're going to be very sensitive, caring, and you're going to care for other people. Okay, you're going to be there for your family members, friends when they need you, and you're going to have, obviously, number two guys are excellent when it comes to counseling, coaching. So whenever your friends, family members, or your loved one would require your help, you will make sure that you're available for them, and you will offer your sensitive advice to them. Okay, next card you got is Page of Gabriel. I love this card again because this card indicates a lot of activity. So many things will happen. You'll feel extremely enthusiastic and energetic and optimistic too. And this card is also good sign when it comes to your career. If you have a business, you are working on your passion, this is a very, very good time to take action. Okay, this is a kind of a energy which will not let you sit at one place, but it will give you nudge to act on your plan. So this is a wonderful card. The next card you got is Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so if you can see this card, this lady is offering pentacle to this man, and man is thinking, should I accept it or not? So you guys might land up in similar situations during these 6 months. The advice here would be wait and watch. Okay, just don't take action, or just don't make a decisions immediately. Take some time to decide. And another message is that do not take any decision based on fear. And here fear means, like, for example, if you're being offered a job, okay, and then you're thinking, oh my god, it's good, I have received this offer right now, let me accept it immediately, because I don't think I'm gonna receive a job offer immediately, so it's better I must accept whatever is being offered to me right now. So this is kind of a making fear based decision, because it is kind of a lack mentality, where you believe that let me accept whatever, or let me compromise, let me adjust, let me accept whatever is being available right now, because it will not be available in the future. Okay, so this card is telling you that take your time. Okay, if your heart is saying this job is good for you, or this whatever is being offered to you is nice, or which is aligned with whatever you are wanting, then definitely accept it. But this card is saying just wait and watch, just think properly, and then make a choice. Okay, so this was all about tarot cards. Now let's check what messages angel cards would like to give you. Okay, so the first message is contemplation time. Yeah, we were just talking about Seven of Pentacles, and this message is on the similar lines. So take time to make choice. Okay, it's not required to go into action mode immediately. You can always tell the other person to wait and ask them to give you some time to decide. Okay, next card you got is Sun. Okay, so people who are worried about their children, this is a message that they are safe and they are protected as they are exploring their world. Okay, so you need not worry about them. So instead of worry, please pray. The next card you got is Astara. Wow, I just love this card. So again, this is, guys, very much aligned with this situation. This card says that, guys, aim for stars, and you deserve best in life. Trust me, you deserve best. You guys need not compromise. Don't let your self-worth issues come in your way and affect your choices. So guys, tell yourself that you deserve best. That's it. Angels are saying that do not compromise, aim for stars, and all your dreams are going to be fulfilled. The next card you got is Business Venture. Wow, I just love this card. You can see a lot of money here. Amazing. So, so this is a good card when it comes to your finances, money, career, business. Amazing. You know, you're gonna get that rewards, awards. You're gonna get a lot of money, bonuses, or incentives. Or also, this card indicates that it's the right time to start your business if you're thinking about it. Okay, guys, that was for people who chose pile number one. So now let's move on to pile number two. All those who selected pile number two, these are your cards, these are tarot cards. So let's check messages from the cards one by one and let's see how would be your next 6 months. So the first card you got is High Priestess. This is a major arcana card, and it says that it is high time to trust your intuitions, trust your feelings, and act accordingly. During these 6 months, you would experience that your intuitions are all-time high, and you would be kind of clairvoyant. And this card also says that keep secrets. Okay, so keeping secrets of other people also, it is also about not revealing plans, you know, whatever plans that you have, whatever dreams that you have, whatever goals that you have, don't reveal to other people, especially people who are negative. Okay, so just be mindful with whom you are sharing details. Okay, next card you got is Queen of Summer. Okay, this is a very beautiful card. This means that, you know, you will experience that you're becoming more emotional and intuitive again in these 6 months. And this card also says that you would take care of emotions of people around you. You'd be there for them and taking care of them. And at times it may drain it can drain your energy, but you know, mostly this card is very positive when it comes to your emotional and mental well-being. Also, I feel that guys who are looking for partner to manifest in their lives, this is a good sign. Okay, the right lady will show up, you know, whatever image that you have in your mind, you know, the similar lady, you know, wife, girlfriend will definitely show up in your life. The next card you got is Four of Summer. Okay, so this card says that you need to pay attention to what is right in your life, what is nice in your life. Okay, instead of thinking about what is wrong, what is not right, what is not good in your life, you need to change your focus, you need to shift your focus, because at times you will find yourself cribbing, you know, at times you'll find yourself thinking that, oh my god, I'm not liking whatever is happening in my life, you know, it's very upsetting, or I'm not just not happy with the way things are. But this card is saying that you're just ignoring things, or maybe, you know, you're kind of taking things for granted. So, you know, especially during these times, you must make a gratitude list and shift your energy. Next card you got is Four of Michael. Okay, so this card is simply saying that, guys, your body needs rest. Okay, don't ignore needs of your body. Okay, take care of your body, especially sleep. Okay, you guys must ensure that you are getting minimum 8 hours of sleep, or at least proper rest. Okay, otherwise, you know what, if your body is tired, then you will not be able to make right choices, you will not be able to focus on your work. So the rest is very important. Also, this is just not about the body level rest, this is also about taking a break from thinking, taking a break from overthinking rather. Okay, and just surrender to the divine and let the universe help you, because at times it happens that you think too much, and then your mind also get tired. But you need to understand that universe has infinite intelligence, and it can present you any magical solution. So but for that you need to just give a break to your own logical mind. Okay, I just love this card, Nine of Raphael. Okay, this is a card of your wishes coming true. This is a card of a manifestation. This is a card of asking for more from the universe. Okay, so guys, this is a very positive card. Okay, if you're looking for a manifestation of any of your dreams, then definitely it's going to happen in these 6 months. Wow, I again love this card, Six of Gabriel. Okay, this is all about recognition, rewards, and awards. Okay, this is about success, clear yes, clear going ahead, moving ahead, taking charge. This is a very powerful card where you are going to inspire others because of the choices that you are making in life, and people are going to follow you. Okay, they are going to respect you a lot. The next card you got is Ten of Wands. Okay, so this is very much aligned with the Four of Michael, because this card again indicates overthinking. You can just have a look at this card, the way she's sitting, and it's all about the overthinking. So the cards are saying that help is available. You need to acknowledge. Okay, don't take responsibility of entire world on your shoulder. Just ask for help. Okay, just release that burden, and you will feel that, oh my god, help was just there, I was just unnecessarily overthinking. So this is the card. This card also indicates stress and depression. So you guys need to be extremely careful about your emotions. You guys need to spend some time in meditation to deal with the stress or depression that you are in case if you're experiencing. Seven of Cups. Okay, so it means that many options and possibilities are going to be available in your life, and at times you'll feel that, oh my god, everything is equally lucrative, I don't know what to choose, I don't know which way to go, I don't know what is right for me. But it's okay. See, if you can see this card, this angel is pointing out to the cup. Okay, so that cup is the right path for you. Rather, all these cups are very good for you, but you just need to stay attuned to the energies of the universe and to your own heart to make the right choice. Okay, so these were tarot cards. Now let's check the angel cards. Wow, I just love this card. Okay guys, someone watching this video needs to hear this. There's a message from heaven for you. Your deceased loved ones, he or she or they are sending huge love, tons of love to you. They are saying they are fine, don't worry about me, and I love you so much. They are sending lots of love to you, and at times I'm sure you might feel their presence. So they are saying that yeah, they are with you, and they try to make their presence known to you. So, and number two, guys, you are already energy sensitive, you can definitely feel it. So but don't discard it, don't let your logical mind play a trick and say, oh, I am just feeling it, but it's not the truth. No, it's the truth. They are there for you, and they try to hug you, they try to touch you, and they try to heal you, and they are sending lots of love, and they want you to know that they are with you and they are protecting you. Wow, lovely card. Oh, okay. The next card you got is Trustworthy Guidance. So again, if you're again, this is very much aligned with the first card, priestess, because don't just discard your intuitions. You angels are already guiding you a lot. Your feelings, your intuitions know what is right for you. This is again a very good card for people who are writers, poets, or in people who are in creative field. They are already you guys are already attuned with the energies of angels. And how angels talk to us, obviously through intuitions, through feelings, through the voice of our heart. So don't ignore it. If you feel that, oh, I must write this poem, I must write this article, okay, just do it, because angels are giving you that those nudges. Okay, friendship. Wow, I love this card. So this card says that take out time for your friends, try to make new friends, okay? And this is a time to socialize, okay? Apart from your family, friends are equally important, and you must take out some time to connect with them and spend time with them, okay? Also try to make new friends. Okay, debt paid off. This is a very good card when it comes to money and finances. So if you have any worries regarding your finances, don't worry. Angels are saying, money would be arranged, and you would be able to repay your loans. So do not worry about anything. Just one thing that you need to do is that try to develop positive relationship with money. Alright guys, so this was all about pile number 2. Now let's move on to pile number 3. Those who selected pile number 3, these are your cards. These are tarot cards. So let's understand one by one what are the messages. Let's understand how would be your next 6 months. Okay, so the first card you got is Emperor. This card is saying that, guys, this is a time to use your logical mind, okay? You guys are extremely sensitive, and usually you let your feelings or the voice of heart overpower the mind, the voice of your logic. But guys, this is a time to take charge of your life, practically plan your life, stay more disciplined, and there is also need to make some changes in your routine, diet or exercises or time management, okay? So just implement all those practical tips, practical strategy to improve your life. And you're going to do that because this card has appeared in this reading, means I know there would be situations where you would do that naturally. Okay, the next card you got is Nine of Winter. Okay, so it means that at times you guys would be thinking unnecessarily. You guys would be overthinking, over analyzing any situation. At times you guys would find difficult to sleep, because of thoughts, or at times you guys would get very bad dreams and everything. But the cards or angels are saying that you just need not worry so much, okay? You just need to invoke angels and sleep, okay? Because there is seriously nothing to worry about. This card is saying that 90 to 95% of your fears are baseless, okay? The next card you got is Release. Again, it is aligned with the previous card, but this is a major arcana card. It means that, guys, you're holding on to your past. So past situations or people who hurt you, and somehow you're not able to forgive and forget. So this is time to release, because guys, simple, law of attraction. If you're still thinking about your past, you're attracting those vibrations now, and then you're recreating that in your present and the future. That's the reason it is important for you to release. So just release it, okay? Because guys, you tend to feel that, oh my god, justice is not done, but just understand that everything happens for a reason, and justice will be done to you. Rather, just stay open, just release, whatever has happened. Okay, let people go, just stop thinking about your past. This is the message. The next message you got is the Hanged Man. Okay, this card is again aligned with this release card. Okay, there would be situations, or there would be certain areas of your life where you guys would think that, I'm feeling stuck, nothing is happening, and there is no progress, these kind of a feeling. But angels are saying that eventually things are going to work out the way, eventually things are going to work out in your favor. Okay, so just have little patience. Okay, especially during such times, no action is required from your end. You have done enough. Okay, and you have done whatever you could, but it is time for you to totally surrender to the divine and just wait, have patience. The next card you got is Eight of Gabriel. Wow, I just love this card because this card has a lot of momentum. This card has a lot of movement. So after a period of waiting, finally the delays would be over and things are going to take pace. And at that time you will feel that, oh my god, I just don't have time, there are so many things to do and I'm so excited. So that feeling you're going to experience. So this is a very positive card in terms of your career, personal life, whatever. The next card you got is the Sun. I just love this card. This card says that, guys, you are on a right path and you just know it. Okay, you just know that. This is a period, this is a situation where you would feel extremely confident about yourself. Your faith in God or in universe would be all time high, and you will feel inspired to take action. You will trust your intuitions and you're gonna get quick results. So this is a beautiful card. You gonna take charge of your life emotionally, practically, everything. This is an amazing card. The next card you got is Six of Ariel. Okay, so this card is a positive indication with respect to your money and finances. So if you guys are worrying that I'm not getting my fair share, finally you're gonna get it. Okay, you're gonna receive money through various sources. It could be incentive or a bonus or a gift or just a reward or a salary. It's about the feeling that yes, this is what I'm worth. Okay, I and you're gonna get the exact amount. Okay, you're not gonna compromise, and people are also going to offer exact amount that you have in your mind, that you feel that I'm worthy to receive. Okay, next card you got is Nine of Swords. Same, we have already discussed. That's the this card says that seriously guys, 95% of the fears are not going to manifest. So stop mental drama, stop that emotional drama that you keep playing in your mind. Okay, because again, there's a law of attraction, you all know about it. Whatever we think, it becomes a reality. So do you really want this to happen? No, right? So think more about what you want instead of thinking what you don't want. Okay, and stop worrying about what might go wrong. Instead just visualize about, I just want this, I want to experience this. So this card is all about unnecessary fears, guys. Okay, so this was about tarot cards. So let's check messages from angel cards. So these 4 cards I have drawn. Okay. Okay, so this card says that, guys, time out, you can read the message, because you've been working very hard, you were busy taking care of others. It's time to take care of yourself. Time to take care of yourself means taking care of your body as well as your mind. Okay, fine. Morning affirmations. Wow. Affirmations are simple positive statements. Okay, so that you need to practice it every morning. Try. What you can do is, see, whatever the situation that you're going through. For example, if you're worrying about finances, if you're worrying about career, so just you need to draft simple positive statements that I'm receiving abundance in my life. Okay, I'm getting appreciated at my work. So these are very positive, very simple statements that you need to practice every morning. You need to say that, or you can just write them down in your diary. It does work a lot. The next card you got is Patience, Please. Yeah, this is again aligned with the Hanged Man card that we got in the tarot. So this card is very beautiful because it is a clear message from the universe that, guys, we are working behind the scene. Okay, and soon we would be able to deliver what you have asked for, but give us some time to arrange certain situations so that you can enjoy your manifestation. So this is a clear message from angels or the universe to have patience. Why? Because they need time. They are already working on everything that you have asked for, everything that you have prayed for, and soon it will be given to you. Okay, so what do you desire? Again, this is very aligned with the Nine of Swords, two cards that we received. So, guys, you're spending maximum time on things that you don't like. Okay, thinking what might go wrong. But guys, just spend some time and think what can go right, what might go right, and what exactly do you want? Okay, this is the best question. What do I want? You can just call out your name, and this is what I do. So Charuta, what do I want? What do you want, Charuta? I keep on asking this question to myself until I get the answer. So instead of just thinking and worrying about all the fears and worst outcome or the possibilities, think about the good possibilities also, right? So this is a very clear message from angels that you take some time to get the clarity of mind, right? So these were the cards for you guys. Hope you all enjoyed reading. Do share my video, do put your comments, and do let me know how you felt about this reading. Okay, you can share this video to your friends and family members whose date of birth number is 2, and I will be making separate videos for number 3, number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. I have already made one video on number 1, so you can check that too. Okay, and you can share that video to your friends and family members. So do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you so much.